This is a 69th Street bound L train. The next stop is 60th Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Ladies and gentlemen, this train will be making a stop. This train will be making a stop for local truck between 56th Street, 60th Street, 63rd Street, and 69th Street will be the last stop on this train. We will not be stopping at Melbourne. This L train's been rerouted via the A line, but still going to 69th Street. Wonder why other trains are not running. This is 60th Street. Transfers available to the Market Frankfurt line. What? This is a 69th Street bound L train. The next stop is 63rd Street Station, MFL. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This is a 69th Street bound L train. The last stop is 69th Street. Ladies and gentlemen, this train will not be stopping at Melbourne. Thank you. Stand clear. Step and watch the doors. This is going to be an upload since I have nothing to do. This is 69th Street. Transfer is available to Market Frankfurt Line, Norristown High-Speed Line, and Bus and Trolley, Silverdale, Manchester, and Long Island, and Philadelphia Airport. Last stop. This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding. Except at Philadelphia.